if you've got an iPhone and your vision's going a little bit, but you don't have to put your glasses on for everything. It's just a little bit too small. You can make your texts that appears on the screen bigger, and that's quite easy. So you go into settings and you go into display and brightness, and in display there's an option for text size. I want you to pick that up, click that option. At the bottom there's a bar, and you can see it's making, as I push it along with my finger, it makes the text bigger and smaller. So you can just have it sort of like whatever size works for you. And once you've set it to that size, you just go back out of it, press the home button, come back out. And now if you go into a text, the writing will be way bigger. So that's cool.